So now, Wien's radiation law from Planck's law. Wien's radiation law was that theory which was given by Sir William Wien, and that theory only expressed the lower frequency region for the blackbody radiation. But how can this law be derived from Planck's law? Let's see. So as I have written here, for small values of temperature or in the region of low wavelength, Hc by lambda kt of the previous equation becomes very large. That is this one. This one, e to the power Hc by lambda kt. This one, Hc by lambda kt becomes very large. Hence, 1 can be neglected in the denominator. This 1 can be neglected of the right hand side of this equation in comparison with exponential term. Thus the energy density becomes, when we consider that this Hc by lambda kt becomes very large and neglecting this one, the energy density becomes h by Hc by lambda cube e to the power minus Hc by lambda kt d lambda. So in short, we can write that E lambda is equals to A by lambda to the power 5 E in e to the power minus B by lambda t, where A is the 8 by Hc and B is Hc by K. So this equation is the Wien's radiation law, and as I have showed you that how from Planck's law we can get the Wien's radiation law by neglecting 1 and taking Hc by lambda kt as a very large value for the lower region of wavelength. So now let's see how we can derive the Rayleigh-Jeans law from Planck's law.